Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we'll see how to use Gemini for coding. You can write any language code with Gemini. So just open Gemini. How to use Gemini, I already explained in previous video. Link of this video is given in description box. Now let's see how to code with Gemini. Just click on this Google Apps, open the Gemini, and here in prompt type your query or type your program name here. So I'm writing write a program to check a given number is prime or not and hit enter button. So you will get the code here. Okay. So here you have not specified the any programming language. So automatically here is a Python program to check the number is prime or not. If you want this program in a C language, specify here, write a program to check given number is prime or not using C language. Press the enter. Here you will get the answer of your question. You can read this code. Also here is a logic explained. So you can go through this logic and also the different sources and related content given here. You can go to github.com and you can check for the more solutions. Here design script, you can write the design HTML form for login. Just press the enter and check for the output. Here is the form. You can copy this content and run on browser to cross check the output. So here is a form. This is HTML form. You can write the Java program also. You can check for the Java also. Right here, write Java program to check substring in given string. So again you will get the answer here. Okay, substring checker. Here is your code and here is the logic and the different methods used in this program. So in this way you can use the command here for any language, so you will get the code automatically. But I am requesting to all the students, do not use this Gemini for each and every program. If you are facing the problem at that time as a help, you can take the help from the Gemini, but don't rely on this code 100% because this is for your help. Okay, not for copying the text or not for copying the program. You need to do hard work to improve your programming logic by using the only practice. So use the different platform as only as a help. Thank you. But here you can check for the different languages code and according to that you can write the more codes. Thank you.